Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to do my day after review of this bad boy right here, the BMS pedal tuner. I can't describe the feeling other than amazing. Yo, for roughly 80 bucks, for 180 bucks, this will change the characteristics of your car. It will change everything about your car. It's like to install this bad boy on the 335 BMW, and mine is a 2011 model, so I have the M55 engine. So we're going to install this bad boy and we are going to go from there, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you. All right, so in the box immediately you're met with the actual controller unit here. All right, and it's really simple. There are the wire connectors here for the that connect into the harness. And so you just pop it out, and we're going to pop it back through the other side, which seems a lot smarter than trying to pull the whole wire through. Also, it comes with some 3M adhesive tape, so you can actually mount it to something if you wanted to. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that yet. I might try. Anyway, so let's get on to the install of this Burger Motorsports pedal tuner. All right. First thing we're going to do is hop out of the car, and I'm going to take you guys with me. I am still at work, which I am not supposed to be doing this on company time, but at this moment in time, I don't really care. I just want to get this installed. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take out the carpet. And then right here, I hope you guys can sort of see that. Right in here is the little grommet or cover piece for the actual screw that you got to take out. So we're going to go ahead and get a flathead. Let's see if I can get some light down here. Okay, still waiting. All right. So now that we got some light, I'm going to take a flathead, or if you have a pick, you can use a pick too. That thing will help. And just sort of pry it up until that little thing pops off right there. So once that little thing pops off, don't want to lose it, so you put it somewhere safe. All right, then some people have Torx bits from what I've seen. Mine doesn't have the Torx. Mine are a Hex. So for me, I just got to figure out which size it is. And unfortunately, I can't tell you what size it is because it doesn't tell me. Anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and loosen this bad boy up. Now, this is tougher than I thought it was going to be. All right, there we go. Broke it loose. Then we're going to unscrew it. Until that bad boy comes out. So you got the screw out, perfect. Again, make sure you put the stuff in a safe place so you don't lose it on the reinstall. All right, so we're gonna pull up, and now when you pull out, you just want to slide straight up. So let me see if I can get a different angle. Just gonna pull out from the floor, slide straight up, and it should pop right off. Now right on this side here is the clip that goes into the actual pedal, gas pedal. And you're going to want to take this clip off and try to be as careful as you can not to actually break the clip. All right, and it's out. Perfect. So now that we got our throttle pedal out, or gas pedal I should say, You can see right inside of there, those are where the little connectors go into. And there's just a little clip that holds in on both sides. You just got to pinch both sides in and then pop it out. But yeah, so that's that. Check it out, check it out. Nice. So now you're just left with this wire here. So you're gonna go ahead and grab your pedal tuner, and then it's pretty simple. You know, the female goes into the male goes into the female goes into the male, and from what I am seeing, you can only fit it in one way. So that's a good thing. It makes it dummy proof, or as dummy proof as it can get, so that it's harder to mess up. And then you just take your throttle, your gas pedal, throttle pedal, whichever one you want to call it. Again, they make it dummy proof, so it's really hard to mess up. You hit it in until it clicks. Click, click. All right. And then you go back to reset everything sort of the way it was. Let's get some angle. There we go. There we go. GoPro. So I'm recording on the GoPro. Bad joke. Sorry. Anyway, so you got it on there. You slide it back down. Push that down into the ground. You just sort of want to make sure the wires are kind of out the way. You're not going to interfere with anything, which mine at this current point in time seem to be. All right, perfect. There we go. All right, so then you want to go ahead and take your screw it back into the floor, and with the gas pedal, speed up gas pedal. All right, so you make sure that's nice and secure. That's not going anywhere. Then you take your little cap that we had earlier and go ahead and pop it right back into place. And that bad boy is installed right there. And then you can sort of run your wires up a little bit and out the way. And I am choosing to tuck them just between these little body panels for the time being, until I figure out ultimately where I want them to be. And 9 times out of 10, the laziness in me is going to win, and that's where they're going to stay. All right, so now that that's all tucked in, let's get to the tuning portion of it. Door. And we're going to check this bad boy out. Look at that. And it is already pretty much on right now. All right. Put these tools away. All right, so what I am going to do is I am just going to turn it, don't sue me, to that plus and minus. So we're going to hold the plus and minus sign together at the same time until all the lights flash. So we're pressing, we're holding, we're pressing. And I got no flashing lights. Oh, okay, now I got flashing lights. All right, until all the lights flash, then press the gas pedal fully to the floor a couple of times, and you should see the status light move. So that's me full throttle, off the gas, down, 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 full throttle, off the gas, down, 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 full throttle, off the gas, down, down, down. And that basically calibrates the system right there. So now you see it's not moving anymore like it was earlier, so that's fully calibrated. All right, so now that we got the whole thing calibrated, let us begin. All right, there we go. Now we in there. All right, so right now that should be stock. Okay, that right there is stock. Okay, so you get the regular fuel. Then you got stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. All right, I already know for stage 3, I'm gonna just go ahead and have it fully up. Stage 1, we're gonna leave it the way it is. Or should we do 1? Stage 2, we're gonna go 2. Then we got stage 3, and then we just got stock, which stock is regular driving about and around town. All right, so let's go try this bad boy out. All right, guys, I'm sorry for the weird angle, but this is the angle we got for now, so we are going to use what we've got, because we gangsta like that. So again, we are on stage 2, one step before stage 3. We're gonna give this a shot and see what it feels like. Oh yes. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. That is a lot better. A lot. The throttle response is a lot quicker, a lot more aggressive. Yeah. So we're gonna make one more circle here. We're gonna try stage 3 and see what that does for us. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is it. All right, we're gonna go to stock. I just want to feel the differences between all of them. So right now I got us in stock. Yeah, and that's definitely a lot lighter compared to what I was just at. Compared to what I was just on, that was definitely a lot lighter. All right, so I'm ready for some action. All right, I think right now we're just gonna leave it in stage 2.
The throttle is instantaneous, you know, especially when you have it on stage 2. Yeah, stage 3, I'm sorry, there's a whole 3. So there's stock, stage 1, stage 2, and then stage 3. And then each one you can sort of individually, like sort of just like, each one you can just go and push the plus button or the minus button, and it'll actually increase the throttle, or it'll decrease how much sensitivity the throttle has to your right foot. But when you have it in stage 3 and you got this bad boy all the way up, it's phenomenal. So I recommend that you guys go and check this bad boy out, get it, put it on your car. It will not make your car faster, okay? Don't get me wrong, this will not make your car faster, but it will give you that edge. It'll give you that jump on people that you're looking for. So if you're really trying to like get out there and like take those trips to Mexico seriously, you're gonna need something like this, especially if you're running an electronic throttle body, which I'm pretty sure anybody out here looking at this video is probably running one. Especially if you got the 335i like I got, this will change it drastically. You know, it's almost like there's no turbo lag, no nothing. Get out there, get it. Burger Motorsports did a good job with this bad boy. That's my recommendation.